Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Today, we are going to learn about the basic concept of coordinates. Basic concept of coordinate. So, what is coordinate? A pair of numbers that show position on a grid. Grid means like this way, like graph. When you go for the big classes, you are going to learn about the graph. So, this is the graph grid. So, for example, 2, 3 means 2 across horizontally, 3 above vertically. Okay, so horizontal means you already know that this is called horizontally, right? And this is called vertically. And also this one, remember, every time in a coordinate, the first one every time we can say that x coordinate, and the second one every time we can say that y coordinate. We cannot write it y and x, it is wrong. So every time we can say that the first one is the x coordinate and the second one is the y coordinate. So I want to plot the point 2 and 3 on the grid. So 2 means you have to go to the first of all horizontally. X means what? It is horizontally. Okay. Y means it is vertically. Y means what? It is vertically. This is horizontally and this one is vertically. Okay. So now look at here 2 first of all. So from 0, every time start from 0, you have to move to the right. How many places? 2 places. So 1 and 2. 2 is here. Now 3 vertically. So now move upward vertically. 1, 2, 3. So this point is 2 comma 3. Example, I will take one more. 4 comma 2 example for your understanding. So 4 means I told you what? The first one every time x and the second one is every time y. So x means what? Horizontal and y means vertical. Okay, so x 4. So 4 places to the right. So from here to 1, 2, 3, 4 is here, and 2 means 2 places upward. So this is the 2. So 4 comma 2 will be this point. Okay, I hope you understand. Now what is meant by plot? To mark points on a grid using coordinate. That means now we are plotting 4 comma 2. This is 4 comma 2. This is called plotting. Like here 2 comma 3. This is called plotting. Okay. So to mark points, we mark the points. Here is 4 comma 2. If I said that this is the what? 3 comma 1. If I ask you this one 4 comma 4. So this is called plotting. Horizontal, parallel to the origin. Parallel to the origin. Just now I explained already. Horizon means what? This one. What is the meaning of parallel? This is the parallel line, right? Parallel. Next one. What is vertical? Perpendicular to the origin. Origin means what? Origin means we know that this is the origin. If you move like this way, like perpendicular means what? Like 90 degrees. Like 90 degrees. We already learned in the first term 90 degrees, like this way. Okay? Right angle, triangle. Like this. Then it is say that vertically. Okay? Perpendicular to the origin. Origin means every time this is the origin line. If you move it same way, parallel. This is called parallel. That is called horizontal. And if you move it like this way vertically, that is called vertical. Okay, perpendicular. X-axis, horizontal reference line on a coordinate grid. So x-axis means this is the x-axis. Look at here, this is the line. If you move it like horizontally, that is called x-axis. X-axis. Y-axis, the vertically reference line on a coordinate grid. So y-axis means vertically. When you move it vertically, that is called y-axis. Okay, so this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Okay, so today your homework is practice the classwork, because today is the first class. Okay, I hope you understand today's classwork. If you have any more questions, you can ask in the next class. Thank you.